Hello friends, on this video, here you are facing the mic problem. Your mic is not showing up here. So how you can fix your mic problem or how you can show a mic on your keyboard so that you can use voice typing. Okay, without typing you can use directly the voice. Okay. So friends, before we activate this voice typing, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here you have to tap on setting. After you tap on setting, from here you can scroll on the down. Then here last icon you are going to find system, so click on system. After you click on system, here the first icon is the languages and input. So friends, you have to tap on languages and input. When you click on languages and input, from here under the keyboard, okay, the second icon under the keyboard, you have to click on screen keyboard. After you click on screen keyboard, from here you have to select the Gboard. Okay, or friends, you can directly search for the setting also, or directly for the voice typing. Okay, I'll show you, but first of all tap on voice typing, activate this icon, click on the back, again 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 tap on search setting. Here your mic will be shown up. Okay, this is how you can activate your mic. So here the mic has been activated. Hello, 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 hello. But friends, it's not working right now because I'm using screen recording. That's why. Okay, and friends, here tap on search setting. You can search directly here voice. See voice typing. Okay, here's your voice typing. Through this also you can go on under the setting. Okay, setting of the voice typing. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.